Yo, it's unboxing day. It's unboxing day. It's unboxing day. It's unboxing day. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's another day. Let's see what we got today. Yeah. Trying not to cut myself. Eco Power. Where is it at? Where is it at? Eco Power. Gold. Project Flow. Here we go. Project Flow. Here we go. Try not to let y'all see what my address is and stuff because that's just not cool, you know. Let's see. It's gonna be right on top. I think this is from SuperG. So let's see. Oh, no, I see it peeking. I see it. Nah, I'm just messing. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, sir. It's time. It's time. Actually, that graphic is really wicked. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Charging batteries. See, look. Everything's happening for a reason right now. I don't know why. Now that's gonna be something else right there. Got some other goodies in here. Let's see what we got. Not gonna lie, yo. This is custom. This is mint. Not gonna lie right here. SuperG graphic bubble wrap. That's unique. Not gonna lie. Caught me off guard with that. Other than that, let's see what we got in here. What is this? Toss this box to the side. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, that's just my receipt. Got something else though. Let's see. Let me get them scissors again real quick. You know. I ain't gonna lie, this is gonna be a good one because not only did I get one of these, people in my local community got some of these to join along with Project Flow team and our adventures of just finding something new to have, you know, fun with. See what the vibe is, you know. I picked up a Shibata GRK part ball diff because I do run the ball diff and the gear diff in my GRK 5R. So this one will come with the solid spool in it compared to everything else. So I will run the solid spool for the first initial, you know, shake down, you know. But then that's getting swapped in because it's just a comfort feeling. It's personal options, you know. Do what you gotta do. This is wicked though, yo. Check out the box. Check out the box. Get y'all a little. Nah, that's wicked. Still factory sealed. The new GS2 mod. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's coming to you. Wow, ain't that something? Oh yeah. This is gonna be a blast. If you got one, stay tuned, lock in with me. Me and the crew, we're gonna have some fun with these. We're gonna throw a bunch of our personal style and personal choices of upgrades and optional parts. Cause you know, we all tune our own way, you know, and not everything is not gonna be the same all around. Hey, but join in, yo. It's gonna be good. You dig?